Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of Cream Finance, a decentralized finance platform designed for crypto lending, borrowing, and earning passive income. In this video, we'll explore its key features, how to navigate the platform, and ways to make the most of your crypto assets. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Upon entering the Cream Finance homepage, users are greeted by a clean and intuitive dashboard. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing users to deposit their assets into lending pools. These pools generate interest, offering a lucrative way to earn passive income. Borrowers can access these assets by staking collateral, which ensures the security of the loans. Cream Finance utilizes smart contracts to automate and secure transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries. To start, simply connect your wallet. MetaMask and other popular wallets are supported. Navigate to the lending section to see available pools and the current APYs. Select your desired cryptocurrency, approve the transaction, and deposit your funds. Similarly, the borrowing section allows you to stake collateral and borrow assets while maintaining a healthy collateralization ratio to avoid liquidation. Cream Finance also supports yield farming, enabling users to provide liquidity in exchange for additional rewards. The rewards can be compounded or withdrawn depending on your strategy. Advanced users can explore governance features, voting on protocol updates, and participating in the growth of the Cream Finance ecosystem. Whether you're a lender, borrower, or yield farmer, Cream Finance offers a seamless experience tailored to the needs of the DeFi community. Don't forget to explore the analytics section for insights into market trends and portfolio performance. Take action now and maximize your earnings with Cream Finance. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and give a like to support more crypto content.